Hi, this is Christine Crow here, and wouldn't you like to know how you can start your business with just you? One person business, and by creating a, a business that is giving you freedom, a business that is making you money, and by you using AI and having AI automation in your business is going to give you that freedom. Wouldn't you like to know more about how you can achieve this? I'm going to talk to you about how you can achieve this. Now, imagine this is 2025 and the new buzz is AI, right? So, what's happening now? Organizations around the world is using AI and they're implementing it to simplify workflows in your business. Now, that can mean things like doing repetitive tasks, things that are repetitive, things that is difficult to keep doing on a regular basis where people find it stressful or maybe they find it boring. Even operations in your business, you can get AI to answer your phone for you. You can get AI to answer messages, take messages for you. You can get AI to email for you. You can get AI to handle your staff HR, for example, and recruiting, compliance. You can get AI to do your meetings, schedule your meetings, and send meeting notes to the person that you had the meeting with. That's how powerful AI is. And a lot of people are now starting to do a one person business using AI automation in their business. And this is what we do. We provide AI automation in your business so that you have got ease, you've got freedom, it's less stress. But what's so wonderful about this is that we provide you with the support needed so that we can provide the data from what you've given us, for example. And also, I come from a care background, so I've been in healthcare for over 35 years. So I also know the type of things that can go in to your AI systems, for example. So we would create workflows. So we would have different things. Maybe you want to have someone deal with your on-call, for example, dealing with your customer services, someone dealing with booking appointments, someone dealing with your marketing, someone dealing with answering your telephone, someone dealing with your accounts, someone dealing with your invoicing, someone dealing with making calls, sales calls. Do you know an AI voice can actually do 300 calls in 1 hour? Wow. Now, the race is on for companies like yourselves to have AI in their business, but have it automated so that you can have that time freedom. Wouldn't that be nice? So that you can enjoy your day and enjoy the work that you've enjoyed doing for all these years, for example. Or maybe you're just starting out. If you're just starting out, well, now is the perfect time for you because you can do AI and it's just you, a one person business with AI. Now, I've got a link here